What's up, everybody? Tonight I'm going to show you how to make homemade coleslaw. So, cheers and let's cook. We will start by making our dressing, and that is going to be 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2.5 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of celery seeds, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we'll just whisk all that together. I have 14 ounces of a pre-shredded cabbage blend in a bowl. To that, I'm just gonna add about half of my dressing to start and mix that, because I just want it to be coated. I don't want it soaking in it. So I'll mix that up, and if I gotta add a little more, I'll add it as I need it. We got some fresh, tangy coleslaw here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.